Yo, what is up, squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. First official video of 2021. Happy New Year to all of you. So first thing, I just want to say shout out to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, and for those who haven't subscribed, I see you. Don't be shy, just go hit that red button right there. Hit that subscribe button. Hope to put some fire content out this year. But yeah, thank you guys for the new subscribers. So today is a regular winter day over here. It's finally dry. It's been wet the past few days, like the past week. So yeah, it's actually a decent day today. That's why I'm in a hoodie. The past weeks it's just been snowing, it's just been raining, it's just, the roads has been wet. So let's open up the garage, let's bring out the new build, and let's have some fun today. Time to do the routine, open this up. Let's get it. Ooh, look who it is. It's time to wake her up. So it's been a minute since I brought this car out, obviously due to the winter season, but let's start her up. Ooh, Honda not failing me, still starts up. Let's bring her out of the garage. So for this car you actually have to push down to go to reverse. So we're just gonna let the car warm up, but oh my, look at the S2000, so clean. I kind of don't even want to bring it out, might get dirty, but it's whatever. Super clean. So as you can see, the hood is already open. Let's pop this up. So I have been making a little bit of progress on the S2000. The first thing I did was clean it up. So it's more clean over here now. I officially cleaned the intake and the intake filter. You guys saw in the previous video, I got the K&N kit to clean it. The throttle body is also clean, and then I also changed the O-ring in this cylinder head bolt. So it's pretty much good to go. Obviously there's some more maintenance to do, but today I just wanted to test it out, see how I did. So yeah, so far so good with this S2000. It's been treating me well. Let me show you guys this thing. You guys hear that? So the intake is all cleaned up, ready to go. The car can finally breathe. And let me tell you, this shit was so clogged. Like when I cleaned it, there was so much dust, oil, particles inside the filter, and it was like choked. Like this shit was bad. So now that it's good to go, definitely want to give it a test drive, see how the car performs. It is boost weather right now, so I don't know, we can have some fun right now. Yeah, boy. Let's go head out and see how this car performs. So it's pretty much warmed up. Let's get this car off the driveway. So it's time to head out. As you guys can see, I need some gas, so we're gonna do that first. But now I can finally hit that intake. Let's go. And just like that, I got gas. I'm actually at the pumps right now. But time to officially test drive this car. Let's see what it's all about. Switch to the GoPro. I'm gonna go on a little test drive. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Hopefully the angle is nice. I can see on my phone right here. But yeah, let's go. Head out in the S2000. First drive on the channel. It's been so long since I've been in here. tires. And compared to the FA5, the clutch in here is pretty, it's kind of heavy, you know, so you gotta give it some revs. Takes some getting used to. Let's go down to second. Oh, look at that intake. Oh, it's definitely better. Way better. Listen to the downshift. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Yo, this car is fun. Bro, the VTEC is kicking, man. Should we do another first gear? I don't even want to spin the tires, so I'm taking it easy, guys. But yeah, the car feels good. It's way better from my memory. Like, it's pulling way harder. But it could also be boost weather, who knows. So it is a little bit noisy in here, especially when the top is up. You can hear everything, like the differential, the transmission. You can hear everything in the back. But no complaints, that's what a sports car is like. And the shifter, man, like it's already short. Stock form is already short. And they do sell short shifters for this car, which is crazy. But anyway, downshift. Second gear, punch it. Woo. This car is fun. Definitely approved of the K&N recharge and the intake. This definitely worked. The car is performing way better. Listen to that. Crazy. Gotta be careful in this car. There's no traction control. It is winter. Tires might be cold. That's why I wasn't pushing it all the way. I don't want to spin the back end. So just gonna take it easy. About to go home. And we good. Okay, so we're finally back home. Hope you guys enjoyed that drive in the S2000. This car is pretty much fun. Like, I actually want to drive some more, but it's time to do some other things. Look what just came in the mail. So we got these right here. So these are convertible straps from Modify. Finally came in the mail after waiting for a while. Took a few weeks to come in. So I think I'm gonna install it on the top. Make sure the top is nice. So this is the current shape of the top. This is how it sits. Hopefully these make a difference. I haven't dropped the top in a minute, so let's install these bad boys. So we are gonna open the top about halfway. That looks like half. So it's starting to get dark out here, but I already cut one strap. I'm just gonna install the new one and I'll get back to you guys.
A few moments later.
So it's pretty much dark right now, but here's the new strap. That's how it looks like. You see the tension, and then look at the other side. It's still sagging, so you just gotta do that, and then I'm done out here. All right, so I'm finally done putting in the straps. Got both sides in. You can see the tension on them. Nice and clean. For some reason, the passenger side was way easier than this, but let's put the top back on.
The next day.
All right, squad, so it is the next day. Finally some daylight. The sun is out. Beautiful winter day. But I'm here with the S2000. I just want to show you guys the results from the convertible straps. I think it makes quite a difference. So I don't know, in my opinion, the top looks more snug. It's like more tight fitting. You got that shape to it. Nice curve. Perfectly sealed and everything. But let's hop inside. And then when you hop inside, look at that tension. Look at that tension, baby. More tension than a fight with your girl. But yeah, I think it makes quite a difference. Let's open the top and let me show you how it's done. This is kind of ghetto, but let me just show y'all. So yeah, as you can see, the top goes down way smoother than before, and also sits so flush. I love it. Just that simple $20 fix. Now you don't gotta worry about your soft top. It was $40 for me because I'm in Canada, but yeah, we're good now. We straight. So we got the full-on drop top in the winter. Look at that. I'm a little bit wild, but that's gonna do it for today. So that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be enjoying the drop top lifestyle for a bit. Yeah, next time I'll get some better angles with the GoPro. My first time shooting with this car. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace out.